Video will show you how to create your own sew by your own self. You know, we're in the season where sews are going high, the prices of sew are going high. But in this video, I'll teach you how to create sew for half cover shoe. So if you are hoping to sell in this period or in your sales, you want to experience low capital kind of investments, then you create your own sew by yourself. So this video will teach you how to create sew for yourself. So before we do that, please like and comment, drop a comment for me, ask your questions, and so from getting your sew pattern, you trace on your Marco 6. Remember, we are using Marco 6 and stripe Nora. Here I'm using brown stripe Nora, but you can, anyone you want to use is your choice. All right, so once you trace, you now cut, right? But please don't the sew pattern, you have to add some little space, that is your welt allowance. Add your gauge allowance before you now trace. You cut round using your scissors. Once you cut it, we have the main sew, right? We're going to add a layer to it, another layer, but we'll have to reduce like an in sew. Yeah, is that yes, we'll be putting the heel inside. All right, so it will be like a hidden heel inside. So that is why I have to reduce the sew pattern, all right, to this level or to this size to add the in heel, right? You cut the same way you cut the sew, cut it, then you place, right? So we are using 2 layers of our Marco 6, thick Marco 6. Okay, please give me a like, subscribe to my channel. If you wish to support, please, my details are on your screen, right? In naira, in dollar, anyone, you can do that. It's on your screen. And if you want to reach out to me on WhatsApp, do that also. My number is on the screen. Okay, give us a like. If you're new here, subscribe. All right, so I'm trying to add my second layer to this sew, right? Watch. Now the second layer is your heel. This is a flat sew, but we'll be having the heel inside, all right, just so that we have a slopey kind of heel, and your leg will feel the soft and a slopey form. All right, so once you place, you have to blend. Now this is how to now this blending, I'll be teaching you guys, or I'll be dropping a video on how to apply in heel, right, when you're creating sew. So I'll still drop the video, so watch out for the video. Turn on your notification bell so that you get notified. Now if you're enjoying this video, make sure you like, and also copy the link and share to your groups, your WhatsApp, your Facebook groups, your social media. All right, so from there, of course, you have to clean. You clean up, then apply your gum for wedge now, or what we call welts. Apply gum carefully. Make sure you spray your gum carefully and gently. Now you use the main sew pattern. Now this one is without the wedge allowance. So this is the main sew pattern. You see that there is an allowance where you'll be placing your wedge. So from there, you place your wedge round about it carefully. Please, while placing, don't place it exact on the line. All right, don't place exact on the line. Give a little bit space. I'm sure you know the reason why you are giving that space. If you don't know, please ask the question. Tell me, just comment how, and I'll explain for you in the comment section. All right, so if you add, then you cut round. All right, from there you go for filing. Use your filing machine to file round. You detach the first layer, so which is your outer, so this is what we have. Very flat. It's very flat without heel. Now the heel already, it's on the marco. All right, that's why we bury the heel inside. All right, so it's an in heel, so I call it in heel. All right, so from there we are going to wrap. We'll be wrapping the marco. Now if you're wrapping, please don't go for thick material, go for light material depending on the color you want to make. But normally soles are black, but if you want to use other color, you can use it, but make sure it's light color, light material, okay, and a nice color combination. Cuts, make sure your material is able to round up, like wrap up all around 360. Okay, you get to wrap. Watch how we get to wrap. Now start your wrapping from inside. I'm sure you know the reason. If you don't know the reason, ask me using the comment section. If you don't know the reason why you be starting your wrapping from the inside, if you don't know the reason, ask. All right, wrap around. Watch what I'm doing. Wrap around. This is it. Yeah, wrap around. Once you're done, then